Alright, what's up everybody? What's going on? It's your boy Augusto again. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. I do appreciate everybody that has recently been subscribing. Shout out to you guys. The channel's growing finally. Today we're actually off to a car show. So far right now we have Justin at the show for him prepping his show car. We have representatives over here for Fantasy Lifestyle to show some extra support. We have Fernando, we have Irene's car, we have my car, and we have Kevin's car. Yesterday, me and Fernando and Justin actually went to another car meet, Hard Park, and some of them actually won some trophies, but we didn't get to actually film that. So if you don't follow us on Instagram, follow Fantasy Lifestyle's Instagram right here. And with all that being said, guys, we'll catch you guys once we get there. Right now, we're just waiting for Michael for there being 5 cars supporting Justin today. So we'll catch you guys in the meet. Just like the other Super Drive car meet video, I'll show you guys as much as I can. And yeah, let's catch you guys on the next clip. Peace. We got Appa right here, won his first trophy yesterday. We have Justin in his natural habitat over there. Representing Fantasy Lifestyle strong. Steve. Sheesh. Option Lab. Look at that freaking lid.
That's no banner. Better get him.
Whoa. Damn. Is this paint or wow? That shit clean. Ooh.
I think to put
Zam honeycomb.
like this.
SSRs, bro. This guy wealthy, healthy. Yeah, look, he got SSRs. Look at this.
You can find a wing and put the banner.
You got Louis? Damn. Damn. Okay.
This steering wheel?
Did it cover?
Yeah. I should have got the cover for mine.
Q50. Ooh, Nismo. Ooh, this is nice. Damn, you got a Supra? Oh, you got working motion too. Supra. Yo. Bro, everybody rocking with the Louis today, bro. Look at that. Louis. Damn. Work wheels, okay. Yo. Straight imported from Japan. Sheesh. Look at that massive turbo. Good. This is clean, bro. So all my Honda boys out there. Huh?
What is it? 40?
No, S14.
S14.
S14. Yeah, you're right.
3 years.
3 years? All right.
Give me one.
All right, mark that on the comment section. 3 years from now, Michael said he's gonna get an S15 once it's legal. A lot of VIP bills out here. I don't know how much I can show you guys because of the freaking copyright, but dang, I want to build something like this, though. VIP.
You guys are making it out.
Yeah, for sure, bro. Damn.
Bring it back, that's what's up. All my dogs up in here, and let's go every way. All this to say yeah.
Oh, shit. Okay.
Damn, what a dude that's getting money, and I'm a changed man. You smell that? Says, know my game plan. Little mama work for every dollar. She dropping low, pop it slow, stop and go. Lots of dough, we keep on rolling up.
Yo, where's Richard at? Bro, you got a lip sticker and everything, bro.
I said the same. Do it broad day, all day.
Dang, carbon fiber hood, bro. 9-gen society out here. Oh, where's Benjamin Atho? Alright. I look like this though.
I love this color.
Yeah. Gennaro's card right here. Bruh. Shout out Gennaro. Nah, I don't want to ruin his paint. Sheesh. Dang, that's a flex. Nismo. Damn. Damn, look at it. You said my glitter on my shit was hard. Look at this. Damn, you can even see it on paint. Bro, you can even see it on camera though.
You can't.
I'm trying to turn down the ISO. No, you can't. Damn. Yo, look at this. Are those TEs? Damn. Flex. I like the hood on this one though. Like aggressive. Raise. Work. Damn, check out that camber. Look. Yo, is that a Tomei dog? Is that a Tomei? Bruh, what do you think about these wheels? That's so tight. Whoa. Whoa. Damn. Little flex on the turb skis right there, bruh. Yeah. Where's your turbo at? God damn.
Now that's a toe. What?
It looked like it was supposed to be like this big, but it got bit by like a bee or something like that.
Got stung by a bee?
Yeah, sure. Damn, bro. That's 2000. Look at that hard top too. Fuck. Look at that. Just kidding. It really is.
Why would they stop? Why would they stop? But I heard they're gonna have a comeback.
I could believe that. Dang.
I don't know how to, unless if you're like white body. I
don't know. By us? Oh, damn. Damn. No game is being played. Look how massive that shit is. Sheesh. Roll cage and everything too. Hey, that's LS. They're gonna be in this thing. Dang. Blow out the tires, bro. Fuck. Camber game. Sheesh. That's a big ass whipple. And look at that JLT right there. Interior too? 4-bill? Damn. Dang, this is clean. Inside and out. Super dry. Clean, huh? The dude was there yesterday too.
Yeah. I was behind him trying to keep up with him.
Were you?
Yeah.
That's straight up VIP right there.
No, I haven't got a red yet.
Oh, look at this dude right here. Been a minute since he's been on the channel. Oh, the whip doesn't look that bad. This is tight. I like the wrap on this. That's what Fernando was waiting for the whole time.
What?
This marrow. And then we're back to fantasy lifestyle.
Whack.
Stock for now. Just wait until Fernando gets his hydraulics. Alright guys, so I don't know if how shaky or how good the quality was on that, but I tried showing you guys literally every car that's over here. As far as right now, these are the cars that are here. I'm not sure if there's more gonna come, but yeah, I hope you guys like that. I didn't really get to do a montage or anything like that, or else it's just gonna take too long for me to show. You know, there's a lot of cars over here. But I'm gonna try to tag every car page or car group down in the comment section below. I mean, in the description box below. But with all that being said, I will catch you guys on the next clip. I don't know what's next, but I'll definitely keep you guys updated. So stay tuned. Boom, and just like that, guys, it's cracking, crack-a-lacking. You're slacking. No, I'm just kidding. But anyway, guys, we're out here. Finally finished at Oz. Fernando ate a whole bunch of meat because he tried to get protein and whatnot. So as far as right now, we're full. Food coma coming in soon. Oh, except for Michael. Michael's not full. You know, I mean, like, check this out. This is full. That over there, nah, not yet. But with all that being said, guys, if you guys made it this far, please do not forget to hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Stay tuned for more content with Fantasy Lifestyle as we are getting more active in the car community. And yeah, guys, we'll catch you guys on the next video, obviously. And until then, like always, stay positive and don't say sheesh this time. What's the outro? Do you know? Stay positive and be and be awesome. God damn.